So it's very early in the morning. Need to get this room done today. Pouring the rain. This water's coming down. Good morning to you. So today's the day. Oh, let me show this. Why not? Just go in the garden. So today's the last day that I'm going to be able to put this phone there and talk to you, because this whole wall here, this side is going. This is going, this is going. The shelves obviously where your parks now are going. So yeah, lots is happening today. And I was feeling quite nervous about it, I can't lie. But as it's got closer to the time, I'm now like, actually, okay, we just got to embrace this. So I'm going to just, I've got a few more bits still to do in there. I've got to like empty the dishwasher and stuff and all of this, but this is the last time the kitchen is going to look like this. This whole wall's going to go. When I first moved in, I loved this kitchen. I thought it was great, but it's very early in the morning. As you can tell by how dark it is, and it's actually quite nice. We've got a little bit of rain going on, so it's a lot cooler. But yeah, this is my living room currently. Oh my goodness! But obviously we've got a sort of makeshift kitchen there. I did just sit and have a coffee. A little post on Instagram, which was quite cute. And my dog does not like the rain. You don't want to go out in the rain, do you, mate? No, you've got to go to Nana's house today. It's not going to like that very much. I think we might be ready. I've put some things in here because obviously these sorts of things have seals on, so it shouldn't get dusty inside there. In fact, I'm going to shut that up properly because it's all going to get very dusty. I haven't bothered, like where we've moved like certain elements of this, I haven't bothered cleaning that. But yeah, cupboards are pretty much empty. There's a few bits in here, literally just a few bits. That's all gone. So it's the last time we're going to see the kitchen looking like this. I had a dream last night someone came and took this off the door, and I want the door covered up because they're brand new oak doors and they're very nice indeed. So the dust jacket is on the smoke alarm and heat sensors. It looks smart when you look out there, you're coming in, you're like, ah, but it's going to be great. It's going to be lovely, isn't it? So yes, Lou, time to get him round to the babysitters. Yeah, come on, let's go out and go for a walk. Go walkies. What's with the face? You're funny. Yeah, mind that ball, don't dunk it. That was Andy, wasn't it? Yeah. This is quite noisy, as you can just say stop. And it got cold in here, so we wrapped up. We've got jumpers on now. Weird, because it was so hot before. So I've got some stuff in my Moleskine I'm going to write up and put on there. I've got my laptop and all the books. There's going to be some bits and pieces like that. You probably can't even hear me.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me, yeah. She just want a highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again.
Alrighty then, so I just finished. It's a Sunday afternoon, and let's go and have a little look, shall we? So they finished, it's like lunchtime now. So, what's different? What's new? We have the beam is all boxed in. So they put timber on that, and then put the overboardy stuff, the plasterboard, over the top. This is called tape and joining, which I know all these things now. Now this wall's a bit of a mess. These things are all live, and they just was like put tiles over the top of them and left them live, which is a bit naughty. That did have our lights on, but they've gone now. So yeah, everything's pretty much a bit of a mess, but they've done their sort of builder's clean up, which is really quite impressive actually. So I've just got to kind of let the dust settle, and then I shall start running the hoover around a little bit, you know. But yeah, so tomorrow he's going to come back and he's going to plaster, well, skim it they call it, skim it with plaster here, this little beam bit, I don't know what you call it, but it's all going to look like it's in one anyway. And this sort of thing, he's going to put some bonding on, which is like a industrial polyfiller kind of thing. So, and he's very good, so I know he's going to do that. Otherwise I might have thought, oh my god, look at the state. But I know that I absolutely know his work now, so I know he's going to do that. See this? So he mixes up the bonding stuff, puts it on, and then skims over. So that's all good. I was thinking, I've got no electric here, and my fridge is going to be going here. Fridge freezer, my American one that's over there. So we are navigating around that and the cooker. And obviously their tools, and we've got some plaster there, which is like gold dust at the minute, trying to get hold of plaster. Because of the COVID lockdown thing, it's really hard to get hold of things. So there we go. This is the update on the kitchen. It's, yeah, looking really good. Looking massive. Good morning. I'm up really early today, so I've had a little sort out, got my cleaning stuff out of this cupboard that's under there, and it's not even daybreak yet. But there's plastering going to be done today, so all this stuff's still here. So I thought I'd get up, make a cup, I'd get to my desk and have some time doing my office things, which would be fun. Well, we now have plastered ceilings. They're back tomorrow to do the beam and the... Hello, my friend. Kim is like, what's going on under my feet? Is it a funny floor, mate? I'm trying to clear up best I can. What am I gonna do? Good morning, it's a new day. We have a new skip, and I've got to try and move all of this in there, which is gonna not be easy. The kitchen is being taken by the kitchen people.
I wanna ride like choo-choo. Yeah, love to do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I'm falling again. Falling again. And every time that you come across my mind.
Good morning. So today's a weird one today. The weather's changed and it's a bit funny outside, and I'm rather exhausted, so we are going to go and get a bit of cake. Actually, Jasmine, I need to take some vitamins as well, because that always helps. So we're going to go get a bit of cake and some coffee, go to B&Q to get some floor leveling cement, which will be exciting because then later on we're going to level the floor, and it's very messy downstairs, so it's quite nice to be upstairs in the... It's just looking like incredible. Ignore my office door that's open. Still looking incredible. Still in love with this skylight that you can see if I tap there. There we go. Really lovely. So yes, nice and tranquil up here. Downstairs it's a different story. So she looks lovely, doesn't she? So what do you think, Jazz? Think it's going to look nice?
I think it is going to look lovely.
So big.
I mean, it's one of those things where you like trust the process, because you look at it now and you think, it's a bit messy.
Definitely trust the process. Yeah, good point actually. I like that. You look really nice today. So we're going to go and get something to eat. Your lipstick looks the same as mine.
It does actually. A fluff kiss in a row.
So I don't feel like we've been out really much, have we, in the last little while?
No, not much.
So it's quite nice. I miss my car when I'm not in it. Let's go.